A product liability lawsuit is one of the more intensive types of lawsuits that I am involved in. And I would say the typical product liability lawsuit from filing date until date of resolution could be anywhere from 2 to 3 years. And the reason why that is because a lot of the answers to this case is in the hands of the defendant, is in the hands of the manufacturer. So they have various documents, they have communications, they have correspondence, they have the treasure trove of information we are trying to obtain, whether it be design documents, whether it be testing documents, whether it be consumer complaints post sale. Once we get all of those documents, and as you can likely imagine, they don't hand them over all the time as willing as they should, which requires us to go to the court and say, Judge, this is why we think these documents are relevant. They will say they're not relevant, and that will be kind of the battle that we have in order to get the documents that we feel that we need. Once we get those documents, we have to go through them. That takes some time. Once we go through those documents, go through them, have a very good idea of what is there, we have to see what's missing. If nothing is missing, then we head to our next step, which is, okay, let's get some people and start deposing them, meaning a deposition. A deposition is essentially I have somebody in a room and I ask them all these types of questions under oath with a court reporter there, using likely in these product liability cases, a lot of their own documents, a lot of their own videos, a lot of their own correspondence. So getting those individuals set up for depositions, getting those documents reviewed, getting those documents in the first place is a pretty time-consuming task, which unfortunately draws the length of the case out a little bit, but it's obviously necessary for us to do a thorough job in investigating this and really figuring out what the defect is, and more importantly, when did the defendant know about this defect and what did they do, if anything?